Sorry about that. I pushed the pause button on my first video and then accidentally stuffed up unpausing it somehow. But anyway, I'll upload this video separately. But this is the bit that had to be fixed on the hot water cylinder. It had the tiniest little pinhole leak on what used to be a little corner edge there, and it basically turned around and just had, it was such a minute leak. Anyway, it could have even been doing it out of the factory, because this is just rolled and then welded, but it was like that area hadn't been properly done. But anyway, my friendly engineer, he turned around and basically welded in here on the seam and then welded across, so no more problems. So that'll go back in and it's all fixed, which is really good, because one of these little things brand new costs $650. So that's just for the cylinder, not the whole replacement setup. If you wanted to replace all of this, I believe it's $1,500 and something, something like that. So there we go. Okay then, well that's about all for now. I'll post an update once I've finished, and once the gentleman's finished. And yeah, for now, hope everybody's well and keeping safe. Thank you. Bye.